I am your host Aishwarya. Before I proceed with today's news, the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. I request our viewers to take necessary precautions. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Top headlines for today are: Zappy Hire launches AI platform to speed up recruitment. Biotech startups claim development in cancer detection. IND Money adds crypto trading. News for today are: in order to speed up the hiring process, Kerala-based startup Zappy Hire, a company under the Kerala Startup Mission, has launched a hiring platform which will use AI, ML and NLP technologies to make the recruitment process faster and smarter. It collects the information from the candidates before the interview and sends it to the interviewers to filter out the eligible candidates. Singapore-based TZAR Labs and Mumbai-based Epigeneus Biotechnology have claimed a development in early detection and diagnosis of cancer via a novel blood test called HRC. The test has been co-developed by the two companies and it can also detect the stages of cancer. Due to a surge in the cryptocurrency trading and crypto market boom, IND Money has added the option of crypto trading with Techstars partnership. Using the IND coins rewards, the users can invest in various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple, and Uniswap. Fintech startup Rule Zero has raised Rs 10 crore in a funding round led from Zerodha's Rainmatter Capital, Indus Law, Reddy Futures and Chris Gopalakrishnan. The company automates share issuance, manages ownership data and helps to track and certify capital tables of startups. A surge of 4.75x in the number of sellers in the past 12 months has been witnessed by the government e-marketplace for micro, small and medium enterprises. The jump in the seller base has been observed amid the COVID-19 pandemic last year as a different category was provided to COVID-related goods and sellers. According to Koo co-founder Apramay Radhakrishna, the company is planning to double the microblogging platform's headcount in the upcoming year as it notably scales up its user base and subscribers. Delhi-based fuel delivery platform FuelBuddy has acquired the Bangalore-based on-demand fuel delivery startup My Petrol Pump. The acquisition will help FuelBuddy to access new geography and customers and expand its business. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, Delhi-based cloud kitchen startup Shepherd Foods is providing free meal service to daily wagers and marginalized communities. The startup is distributing meal packets in AIIMS, Safdarjung Hospital and slum areas around Okhla. B2B e-commerce startup Moglix is providing PPE kits, oxygen concentrators, oximeters, thermometers to essential goods and services companies amid the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic to ensure the employees' safety. Till now, the company has distributed more than 15 million PPE kits and safety items. The number of small and medium enterprises opting for the restructuring window that is being offered under the Resolution Framework 2.0 by the RBI could be much lower than the eligible companies due to the possibility of the pandemic being contained for the next 2 to 3 months. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.